pair natin si James Reid and Nadine Lustre. So, yung question.
Hi, guys.
Yung question natin kanina, yung on-screen tandem niyo ba dadalhin na sa television?
Hopefully, pero right now kasi we're still focused sa DNP since hindi pa nga siya tapos, it's still showing. Meron pa rin kaming promo, so doon muna kami nakafocus. But hopefully after that, sana magkaroon. We're hoping.
Pero if ever, anong gusto nyo? Meron ba kayong inaay na maybe a teleserye or another TV
Actually,
show?
I would like another movie.
Movie.
Yeah.
Again.
It's so fun to make a movie. It's more laid back, more relaxed.
Pero may chance ba na parang sa Kapuso Network kayo mag-appear since madalas kayo lumabas sa GMA?
It all depends on
On
Busvic,
Boss Vic, siya talaga.
what he wants.
Yeah.
So you're not tied to any network right
No.
now?
No.
Okay. Ito naman, kasi since, ito nga, napaka-successful yung Diary ng Pangit, and a lot of people are saying that you guys are the next big teen love team sa showbiz. How do you feel about that when people say that to you?
I don't know, I'm thinking.
Overwhelmed sila.
Overwhelming.
Yeah, we're
Yeah.
overwhelmed. Kasi that means na yung kaming dalawa, na nag-work yung chemistry namin, nag-work yung love team namin. And we're happy kasi 'di ba sa atin, ano man naman yung mga tao dito, hindi sila madaling ma-please. Na parang kami, na bago lang kami, na-please namin sila. So masaya kami.
Actually, we're lucky that
Mm-hmm.
we're each other's love team. It's so easy to work with each other, and the people love it.
And a lot of people are somehow comparing you to, of course, the very successful Daniel Padilla and Catherine Bernardo love team. So how do you feel na ganon, kino-compare kayo sa kanila?
I see where the Catherine comes from, but I don't see where the Daniel comes in.
That's actually our next question.
Dahil dyan sinabi mo na. So,
Well,
advantage?
sa akin,
May advantage ba? Na
Well, I'm very flattered na sinasabi nila na kamukha ko ni Catherine. Well, kasi si Catherine maganda and established na yung career niya. Sikat siya, maganda siya. And yung career niya maganda. So, parang ako, flattered ako na nako-compare ako sa kanya. Though, wala, I'm very flattered.
Pero do you make efforts ba para mag-veer away dun sa image?
Yeah, actually, yes. Yung styling and everything, the makeup, the hair, tinatry namin baguhin. Pero I don't think we can kasi since yung facial features talaga, parehas. But then, okay lang naman kasi magkaiba naman kami. I hope the people would realize that na si Catherine iba, ako din iba. So we can offer, parang iba yung nabibigay namin sa tao. Magkaiba kami talaga. Plus the age is different.
I think just at first you see Catherine, but we've already been working now for how many months? I really don't see it anymore. I can really tell the difference.
Like, how is she different from Catherine?
No, the face is actually really different. Once you just have to get used to her first. Because at first, when I first met her, our first acting workshop maybe a year ago,
Yeah.
I thought, Catherine's in an acting workshop? But then after a while, you really get used to it. They really look different.
How about you, in terms of like styling and image? How do you veer yourself away from that image of Daniel Padilla? As parang he's like the peg of most teen guys right now.
Okay.
Kasi.
Actually, I'm just being myself, really. These are my clothes. So, it's really my style. I'm not trying to veer away from anything. I just want people to see me as I really am.
Which is always a good thing, to be yourself.
Yes.
Okay, but, moving on. Well, of course, Daniel and Catherine, a lot of people are saying that parang maraming naglilink sa kanila na pointing to a romance behind the camera. How about the two of you? Meron ba? Meron bang nangyayari na hindi namin nakikita on screen?
May spark ba?
May spark ba?
Wala naman, we're just very close. I mean, madalas kami magkwentuhan since madalas kaming magkasama. So, yun lang. Tsaka, we're both focused on what we have right now kasi. Sayang yung opportunity. Doon kami nakafocus talaga. So, we're not thinking about anything like that muna.
Good answer.
Kasi kanina ko pa napapansin yung kamay ni James.
sorry.
Nakaganon eh.
Sorry,
Kanina
sorry.
pa eh. Pag-start pa lang
Pero
eh.
if ever na maligaw si James, may chance ba siya?
Pero wait, alamin muna natin, baka naman, are you guys both single? Baka naman merong magagalit kapag wala.
Wala.
How about you, James? Kasi parang may nabasa kami sa'yo na interview na when you were asked about your love life, you gave a hypothetical answer. So,
Hypothetical?
once and for all, are you really single? Or
No, yes, I am really single.
Okay.
I am.
Okay.
I'm not
So,
sure if
confirm.
that's like,
Sinabi
so
na
back
niya.
that's convincing enough, but yes, I am.
Back to the question, may chance ba siya
May chance ba si James kung
Kennedy.
sakaling
Tingnan
manligaw
natin.
siya sa'yo?
So they ask you if I have a chance, but they don't ask me if you have a chance.
Wow!
Why?
Sorry, ah.
Oh, but does she meet your standards? Meet your standards.
Yeah, of course, but why you only ask her?
Siyempre mamaya, inuna ko na since girl siya, di ba?
Ladies
Okay,
first.
ladies
ah.
first. That makes sense.
Ayan. Pero ano bang style ng panliligaw mo, James? How do you make a girl
Actually, me,
swoon?
I'm very,
Fall in love ka ganyan sabihin ko eh.
I'm very straightforward.
Mm-hmm.
If I like a girl, I'll tell her straight away. So, I
So,
guess
ginawa
that's my
niyo na ba?
style. I don't like to.
Boss, sorry, boss.
It's like there's some paligoy-ligoy.
Ayaw daw ng paligoy-ligoy. Diyan na yung
Yeah.
kamay. Paano ba yan?
It's just comfortable. That's why.
Okay. But what are the qualities that you look for in a girl?
Smart and a little bit weird.
A little
Yeah.
bit weird.
Paano ba
So
yan?
there's
Weird
some-
ako, joke.
O, pasok na
No,
yun
not
sa
too weird,
quality.
just a little bit weird.
Nalaglag ka pa tuloy, too weird daw. But, do looks matter?
Of course, looks is what attracts you initially to a person, but if they don't have the personality, you're not going to stay. So, in the end, personality wins.
How about you, Nadine? The qualities that you look for in a girl?
Oh, guy. Well, I want someone who's God-fearing and very laid back. Parang masarap lang kasama. Kasi, ako, gusto ko yung, parang, kahit ngayon na kami nagkakilala, click kami, hindi siya mahirap pakisamahan. Simple lang naman, ganun lang.
Pero wala namang physical features in particular.
Wala naman. Like what James said, it's the personality naman that gets you talaga. It's not the looks.
So, eto na. May part kasi kami dito sa pep talk na kailangan natin ng hidden talent.
Correct. Oo. Dahil
Wala ako
since ngayon na mas nakikilala na kayo ng public, ng mga fans, is there a special talent na gusto niyo ipakita sa kanila para malaman nila na ganito ka ka-talented? Kaya kong
So
gawin.
my cheeks aren't working today, so it's hard.
Ano ba yung talent ni James sa cheeks?
Is there a name for it?
No.
It's just
That.
it's a thing.
Ano yung cheek
Pag
thing?
pinipitik niya to, parang water. Yung
Like a drop of water. Like
Wait.
wait.
Okay.
Might not work. Wait, it's not working.
It is!
Ayun.
Narinig ba? So, yun.
Parang sa CR ko lang yan madalas na rin.
Oo. So, parang may nagda-drop na water.
Parang may nagda-drop ng water.
How long have you been doing that?
Actually, my friend taught me how to do it.
Okay. So, matagal na, like, we were still
Yeah,
young.
a couple years. Only a couple years.
Galing ah.
Oh, si Nadine naman.
Ako medyo corny yung akin, medyo weird. Pero kasi nung pinakita ko sa kanya, nahirapan siya eh. Hindi niya
sige.
makuha kagad eh. Yeah.
Yeah, I think I still.
Paano nga?
No.
Paano daw?
Sino po kanto natin?
Oh no, I
Try
forgot.
niyo.
Okay.
Wait.
Tapos,
Tapos kailangan.
oh my God! Mahirap siya, friend. Teka.
Teka
lang ah. Dali ah.
Isa ba?
Ayan na mo.
Mahirap
Wait,
siya
I remember.
Ako,
Ayun!
I'm so sorry to you
Ulit, isa
guys.
pa. Paano?
Gawa ko siya. Ay,
Ah,
teka, mali.
I did it. I remember.
Ikaw na lang.
Ano ba yan?
Pressure to friend. Kaya mo yan. Tada!
Baliktad.
I-cross mo siya.
Dapat, wait, paano ba? Ang hirap na i-explain eh.
Oo nga eh.
Tatagal tayo dito. Sige, moving on. Siyempre,
Ang daya!
pasample na lang tayo ng kanta nila.
Yes. The theme song ng Diary ng Pangit.
No erase, yung no erase. Gusto
Right.
niyo ba
Love
love song?
Love
Or-
song. Ano ba yung...
Yung kinanta nila sa premiere night.
Yan, oh.
No worries. Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, James
Medyo hindi
Reid
kami
and Nadine
nakapag-warm up
Lustre.
eh.
So. Game na ba?
Ano na?
No, you start.
Okay. You started
No, I'm
eh!
just saying that's how it works.
Game na ba?
Ano na?
Sure na ba?
Sige na. Ang ayoko na naman ma-feel out of place. Game na ba?
Ano na?
Sure na ba?
Ano na?
Wala nang bawian, mamatay man, we know it is.
Medyo walang warm-up kasi.
I love it. Ang cute nila. Okay, guys, before we go, can you please invite everyone to catch Diary ng Pangit?
Ayan, iniimbitahan po namin kayong manood ng Diary ng Pangit. Sa mga nakanood na po, panoorin niyo po ulit. Sa mga hindi pa nakakanood, ay nako, panoorin niyo na kung gusto niyong kiligin at matawa palabas ng sinehan.
It's still showing now in over 150 theaters nationwide.
Instagram and Twitter accounts. Tapos di ba may OST kayo nilalabas?
Yeah, actually meron. It's available in record bars nationwide. Yung OST po ng Diary ng Pangit. Nandun po yung No Erase, yung kinanta namin, yung Paligoy-Ligoy na single ko po. Yung single ni James na Natataranta. At yung duet ni Yasi and ni Andre, kasama namin sa movie, na yung Di Ko Alam. And meron din pong songs dun yung Sugar High, si Tyro, si Yumi, and si Donalyn.
And Shei.
And Shei, it's produced by Viva Records and
Flip
Flip
Music.
Music po.
Yun, Instagram and
Instagram.
social.
My Instagram is Nads with a Z Lustre. Ayan, at Nads Lustre.
And
And,
my Instagram is ReedXJames. And then my Twitter, JamesXReed.
ayan. My Twitter naman pa is Hello Banksy. Medyo weird. Kasi dati Banksy
Oo,
tawag sa akin ng fans. Kasi may Banks
Because
ako
of the
dati. So, Hello Banksy po with an IE. Banks. S-I-E.
Okay, so guys, follow them on Twitter and Instagram and don't forget to watch Diary ng Pangit. That's it for Pep Talk. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!
Thank you!